Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be jam-packed full of ideas on how to pick your niche and why, what is the best niche to go into for yourself. It will help you decide and make it easier for you to decide what niche you want to go into. And I do suggest you stay all the way to the end of the video because there is a very good ideas and everything on how and why to go into a certain niche that you're going to pick. Okay, enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome. For those of you who are coming back, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like down below, join the fam. Okay, today's video is just something that I wanted to talk to you guys about, where I've been coming across a lot of videos where there are a lot of people who don't know what niche to go into and they don't know where to start, basically. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about how to pick a niche and what topics. For every niche, there are a bunch of topics, many different video ideas that you could come up with. But one of the main things is a niche. Before you start, I know everyone goes into this hole where they have to pick a niche. Honestly, in the very beginning, no, you don't have to pick a niche. You could actually go through and make different videos, like let's say ASMRs, food videos. You could go in and do noise, like white noise videos, sleep noises, calming, soothing videos. You could also do informative videos depending on what you know. A lot of people, believe it or not, they do find YouTube and they come to it to get information on a lot of things that they would really like to know about. So basically what you do is you go in, you post up different videos, different topics, all, whatever you want, and then see which one does better. You go into your analytics where there's this thing called YouTube Studio. You download that app, then you go in and you check your analytics to see which one is doing better. And you can go about it two different ways. Either go in and see which one is doing better, and then you go in and just keep going on with that niche, or you can choose what you're interested in. Go into what's your passion. Do you like vlogging? Do you like blogging? Do you like reviewing products? Do you like math? Do you like to, do you know how to, you could teach a different language. You guys can teach math. You guys can teach DIYs on how to fix houses, how to do different things. You could post up from construction to cooking to DIYs, gardening. There's so many to choose from. So one of the main things you have to do is get started. One of the hardest things to do is get started, because talking about ideas, coming up with ideas, that's easy. You just think of them up, you write them down, and next thing you got to do is set up and get started. A lot of people don't like to be in front of the camera. There are also options on where you can make videos, make money online without having to be on camera. You don't have to be in front of the camera. You don't even have to use your voice. So like as I was saying, there are two different ways to go about it. You can post up many different types of videos, go into YouTube Studio and see which one is doing best. And then that right there helps you decide which niche you should go into, because you're obviously good at that one thing. So therefore it's going to be best if you go into that niche and keep on going and take it from there, get monetized, make your money. You could also go in and do affiliate marketing also on your videos and everything. You do not have to be monetized in order to do affiliate marketing. There are different companies that do offer affiliate marketing where they will pay you a percentage for posting their product on your page, and for every sale you make, they will give you a percentage from that. Okay, and now the second way to go about finding a niche is, what are you good at? What is your passion? Are you good at cooking? Are you like amazing at baking? Are you amazing at gardening? Are you amazing at doing DIYs and construction? Are you amazing at doing art? See, there are so many. There's also even tattoo artists. There's, you know, if you like hunting, if you like fishing, if you like, there's so many workouts, diets, keto. There's so many. So basically what I was just, you know, thinking is I've seen so many videos of where you guys are struggling on how to pick a niche, what to, you know, niche to go into and everything. Well, that is a great place to start. Post up a bunch of videos and see how it goes. And then whichever one is doing best, you got your answer right there. Go with that, stick with that, post about that, keep going until you get monetized, become a partner in the program, in the Google program, and then you start making your money, but also don't forget affiliate marketing. Okay, and then the second one is, what is your passion? Because it's also really good to go in and pick a niche around your passion, because basically when someone has a passion, they're so passionate about it that they learn everything about it. They leave no stone unturned. They sit there and just try to learn. You can learn that all day long and you'll never get tired of it. If you're going into YouTube for trying to get monetized, trying to get big, trying to all that, I suggest you don't pick a niche that you are not interested in. Let's say you don't like working out, because trust me, it's a lot harder, you know, to do it than actually just say it. It's a lot easier just saying it, hey, I'm gonna work out, and it just doesn't work out. Okay, but if you love food, go into food. You could do food reviews too, depending on what is your passion. Think about your passion. What is your passion? Go into that, learn all about it. You probably already know more than you think. Grab a notebook, write it all down. You'll realize, because this is what I did. I went in and I got a notebook and I realized that I am a lot more smart in certain topics than I actually thought. I never thought I actually knew that much, but I actually do. So a lot of people out there are looking and wanting to learn on different things. Be their teacher, be their guide. Go in, pick a niche that you are passionate about, because later on you don't want to pick a passion. You don't want to pick a niche that you're not passionate about, because later on you're going to be bored, you're going to get tired, you're not going to want to do it anymore, you're not going to be happy. So go in, pick a niche that you're happy about, that you love, because then that way it won't be work at all. It'll actually be fun. And that's what you want, right? You want to be happy, have fun doing it. So just pick a niche that you're passionate about and you'll be happy and you'll never give up. You won't even feel like giving up. Why? Because it's just fun. It's fun. And no matter how much time it takes, it's not going to feel like a job. Okay. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and join the fam. Bye.